Hey guys, happy 2022. Hopefully everyone is starting out the year on a good note. I decided to start doing planning videos again. For this year, decided I wanted to plan daily in the mornings, whether I'm working or not, just to take a few minutes to write down some thoughts, plan out the day. And yeah, so that's kind of like my 2022 New Year's resolution, in addition to drinking a lot of water. So this year I'm using the Take a Note planner, and I kind of placed it in a Hobonichi A5 cover, which I've been really loving. And I got this traveler's notebook clip on the top left from a blank note on Instagram, and I have been loving the aesthetic in my flat lays, so you'll see it quite a bit. This year I decided to start planning with a lot of washi tape, stickers, scrap papers, ephemera. And so I have been on an ordering spree, just buying tons and tons of stationery. If you guys watched my last video, I did kind of an organization video. It was a little bit overwhelming, seeing all the packages come in. I mean, it was super exciting, but also a bit much in that I didn't know where to put everything. So I finally got around to kind of taking all the items out of my Muji acrylic drawers and I guess rehoming those items and organizing all of the new material into this setup. So if you wanted to see that video, it should be in my video links. But yeah, I basically wanted a way to display all of my new items in a way that I could see them really easily while planning. So while this isn't the most like on the go method, just because these drawers are pretty heavy duty, I'm not really going anywhere anyway, so it works out really well. And so with this new method, it kind of incorporates stacking, layering, kind of putting things, different scraps of papers and materials on top of one another to create a cool effect and sort of border in your image or your week. So as you can see, there's some like ripping of paper and ripping of washi tape, cutting, layering, and it's just so cool. And I have been following, I think it's Little Hannah's shop on Instagram, and she has totally been inspiring me to kind of plan in this way. And with Instagram, I don't know how it works, but if you like follow someone, they kind of recommend other channels or pages that you might enjoy. And so I've been following lots of different planner people on Instagram, getting inspiration, and it kind of inspired me to do this new setup. So who knows if this will continue on throughout the year, but either way, I decided I'm already filming these Instagram clips. I might as well do a full-on video for you guys, and if I can, my hope is to plan consistently on YouTube as well. So lots of goals in 2022. Not sure if you guys are like me and that you try and make new goals or things you want to do for the new year. And I'm usually pretty good about keeping to it for the first like month or two, but you know, life gets in the way and things kind of fade out, so we'll see. But I think with this new drawer system and my new stationery, I should be with this for some time. So this video today is a plan with me in real time, as you guys can see. So the goal is I hope you guys can kind of plan along on your own or feel inspired to bust out your planner after this and work on your weekly spreads. All of the materials basically in this video, aside from my stencils, the planner, and the cover, like the actual washi tapes and stickers, etc., those I got from Amazon. So I will link my Amazon storefront. I kind of tag or add to the list of items that I buy from Amazon into this one area where you guys can check out But yeah, basically I was very pleased with all the materials that I picked up. Wasn't sure how the quality would be, just because I feel like there are a lot of fake items on Amazon, and sometimes the product is not the same as the image. However, I feel like I've been really lucky this round. So, and I did place quite a large order. So yeah, very happy. These stamp washi tapes are kind of unique. I guess it's like stamps in a roll, and it doesn't roll out like your normal washi tape. You kind of take one stamp at a time. So I ended up not finding the beginning, which probably means I'll have to like kind of like peel it off. So I went with something else, but I think I'll be using them in future videos. Oh, and I actually have another washi tape order. I think the last item in all these orders that I've done comes in sometime next week. So if I'm still filming, I'll try and add that into next week's layout. But this take a note planner is interesting. If you guys have followed along, you'll know that I have been using the Hobonichi for years, and just this past year, or actually sorry, this upcoming year, I decided to switch to the take a note planner to try something new. I was influenced by Instagram yet again. And so far, I mean, it's only been 10 days into January, but I have been consistently planning in this planner. It splits up the week into 2 weeks, which I think at first I thought that'd be too much space, but using this new way of planning, it involves a lot of paper and stickers and layering of other things, so you don't actually write that much. I just felt like it was just the perfect combo of items plus new planner for this year. So we'll see, but I'm very excited, and I think I'll be able to do hopefully a nice recap at the end of each month, kind of flipping through the different pages. And I think as the days go by and the weeks go by, my style is going to slowly change and morph into something pretty cool as I get more used to this technique of layering different things on top of one another. It's cool because like I'll watch other planners on Instagram and I feel like, wow, like maybe they're done soon, but they'll just keep going in terms of adding new material, and at the end it just looks so cool. So I think I'm still pretty new to this whole style, and so I haven't I guess I don't feel like super comfortable just yet adding like a million things onto the page, but maybe as I plan throughout the week I'll add on as I go. So today's video, probably gonna upload this late, so I'm planning it on Monday, January 10th. So it's basically setting up the first half of the week and then planning into just Monday, since I'm trying to do a daily plan instead of like recapping the whole week at once. We'll see. So far so good. And yeah, just carving out a little time in the morning. I'll do it usually like about 5 minutes while I'm prepping Jason, our son, in the morning with his breakfast. I'll just take out my planner next to him, and he's old enough to not be like putting stuff on my planner while I'm working, so I'm able to actually like get some planning done, and it's been really, really nice and somewhat therapeutic versus like a stressful thing in that I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to plan something. I'm just kind of like, oh, what am I gonna do today, and some thoughts. So I've been really, really happy with this new thing for 2022. Hopefully you guys are having a good start to the year in your planners as well. I know with Omicron, we're all kind of going back into hibernation mode, I feel like, or a lot of our friends and people that we know are starting to get sick. So I feel like a lot of people are just kind of hunkering down for the next couple weeks. So maybe it gives more of us time to plan. I don't know. Partly motivated me to kind of document what's going on in the world in my planners. So it'll be interesting to look back in the new year, next year. What else is new? Still, I'm using actually my Hobonichi Weeks stencils in this Take a Note planner and it's worked out really, really well. I know a lot of times I'll get questions from customers asking, oh, can I use this planner for, or this set of stencils for this planner? And if it's a planner I'd never heard of or something new, I usually try and like measure out a box or two just to kind of give them an idea of what to expect. But most of the time it's pretty versatile in that you can kind of create whatever you'd like, and sometimes overlapping boxes kind of cool too. So yeah, that's kind of the cool thing about the stencils. You can use them in so many different kinds of layouts and different planners. So here I am just doing a little drop shadow box, or a banner on top of a box, and later I'll go in with a little drop shadow. But and I like that little coffee sticker. I thought that was cool. It came in one of the Amazon bundles as well. But yeah, I guess I'm almost at the end of this video, kind of running out of things to say. But if you guys enjoyed watching, please let me know with a thumbs up or a comment. Let me know if you guys like these talking type of videos or just some music in the background. Would love to hear your thoughts for future videos. Alright, well, kind of check out here and see you guys next time. Thank you.
Here we are right now, no longer 17. And we've been around, got some years on us, and a new bell